Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over a quick tip that many owners or renters forget to do when it's time to clean their filter. So one thing you want to do is all this dust that you see here, all this dirt and dust, you want to get it out before you put in a new filter or before you replace the filter. So the first thing you want to do is get a vacuum cleaner and clean all that dirt and debris from the actual grill. Once you have that done, what you want to do is, this is very, very important. If you have a washable filter like this one, is the part of the filter that's facing you, you want to make a notation on it. So for example, here I'm going to put a little dot, or you could just put front. I'm trying to do this while I'm holding my camera, but anyway, front. And I'll tell you why that's important a little bit later, but I want to do that first, and then I want to take the filter out to clean it. Okay, so once you have the filter taken out, what you want to do is the part that's the front, that you already labeled front, or that you labeled it however you want to label. You can even use nail polish, whatever. Just make sure you label that side. Now this is the front side that we were looking at on the ceiling setup. So the air is going to pass this way and it's going to come out this way. So what's happening is this surface of your filter is the one that's going to collect the most debris and dust, and the back side is going to look a little cleaner because most of the contaminants, being dirt and debris, is being trapped on this side. So what you want to do, why it's important to label this, is when you clean this filter, you want to make sure you apply the water from the backside. So the way we're going to clean the filter is we're going to use warm water and we're going to spray it this way, so any dirt and debris that's on this surface easily gets removed. If you guys do it backwards and you do it this way, what you're actually doing now is you're pushing the dirt and debris into the filter, and it's going to be harder to get out later. So keep in mind, the reason why we use filters are for two reasons. One, as the air conditioning or heating system is running, you want to keep the air in your house clean. But another reason is you don't want dirt and debris on your coils. And if you've ever had a coil cleaning, you would know that this is an expensive process. So if you don't do this correctly, like I'm telling you now, if you start cleaning it this way and you start pushing more dirt and debris on this side, all that dirt, once you put it on to the air conditioning system, it's going to go into your coil and you're going to really dirty your coil. So I'm going to first start cleaning a section of it and then flip it over so you can see how much we got it clean. So use warm water. Then we're going to flip it over and show you what I mean. So if you can look closely, this side is almost the same color as the one in the back, the cleaner side on the back side. But the surface area, the front where we trap the dust, you can see that this is cleaner already, and you still have dust accumulation on this side. So basically, folks, it's a simple process. Just make sure you label your washable filter. If it's a throwaway filter, then you just replace it. But if you have to wash it yourself, it's best that you label the front side, so when it's time to clean it, whether you use a garden hose or you do it at the kitchen sink, that you also apply the water, whether it's a garden hose or at the sink, from this side to push the dirt and debris out this way. Again, if you don't do it, if you start washing it this way, you're just going to push more dirt and debris into the filter system. So make sure you label it, make sure you follow the instructions. Hope this video helps. If you like the video and you want to subscribe to our channel, please do so below. Hit that subscribe button and it would help us continue doing videos like these for you in the future. Thank you very much and have a great day.